It's good for some people that live out in certain areas. So welcome back to the stream. Welcome back to another video. Today is a sad day, or maybe just a temporarily sad day, because one of the credit unions that we've been recommending on the channel has increased their rates, or no, sorry, has not increased their rates, but has put a limiter, a pretty hard limiter to people that can apply, and they're limiting it to only one state. So if you're a Florida resident right now that are watching, I'm literally going to hook you up and you're going to be very happy, because this credit union has interest rates as low as 2.5% for 60 months. So definitely some pretty interesting stuff, but they've put a huge banner on their website, which kind of sucks. But this is going to happen for credit unions across the board. They're going to start to put restrictions because they are probably going to get a lot of overwhelming inquiries and or applications. So if you're just joining in, my name is Dennis. I love talking about Tesla hacking, as I like to call it. So, but basically just getting the best deal on your Tesla at the best possible price, or just getting really good financing on your Tesla. So if you're interested in any of that, please hit that subscribe. And today's video is actually sponsored by my Patreon link, where you can get access to my buying guide, which has interest rates and credit unions that are all better than Tesla financing, as low as 3.2% to 4% from 60 to 80 months. So definitely check it out, credit union down below in the description. But let's take a look at this. This is Gold Coast Federal Credit Union. And you can see it right here. They've got interest rates as low as 2.49%. And this is confirmed for 60 months. But they just added this banner right at the top of their website. So definitely a sad day. But it says right here, please note that due to an overwhelming response to join our credit union, therefore consumer lending is being restricted to the state of Florida only. So the good news here is, I know there's a ton of people that are probably watching or have seen this, watched videos that are trying to buy a Tesla in Florida, and so you'll still be eligible to join and get this super low rate, because this rate does not exist anywhere else. And this was probably the best rate for a while, especially for a 60-month term. But unfortunately, it only looks like you can get it if you are in Florida. And to join this credit union, it's actually super easy. Like, all you literally have to do is donate $5 to New Horizon Elementary School Parent Teacher Association. I know, it's a very weird one for sure. Donate there, $5. You got to be a Florida resident, of course, and then bam, you get 2.5% for 60 months. But don't be afraid, don't be worried. I mean, this certainly, there's probably a lot of people trying to join this credit union right now. And if you're in another state, and if you are someone that has a estimated delivery date of April, March, May, even, like, maybe just write this credit union down, write it down and put it in the background. Check on it in a month, check in it when you get your VIN, check in as you get closer to your date, and then maybe they will lift the restrictions by then, because they're probably getting the word is getting out that they have the best interest rate loan out there. That's for sure. I mean, you literally, I've never seen 2.5% at all. And so, definitely some pretty crazy stuff. So let me know your thoughts. What are you trying to do? What are you, how are you trying to get around this? I mean, if you go to address, then that might work too, but that's besides the point. But definitely some pretty interesting stuff. We're going to jump back into the comments and the question. I just want to quickly highlight that it's certainly a sad day, but maybe it's only a temporary sad right now. Maybe they'll lift this up as they, queue back up and get, through their initial wave of applications. And this is just one way for them to sift through it until they get back to their normalcy. Because you got to remember, credit unions don't have big staff like other huge banks like Chase, Bank America, and stuff like that. And so that's why they're able to offer these low rates. But at the same time, they can't also handle all this application rates, and there's probably a ton of people trying to apply. I mean, when you've got 2.5% out there floating like that, I mean, of course people are going to try and take advantage. So I mean, I can also see them raising the rates in the near future, and so definitely we'll be on the lookout for that. But we're going to jump into the live streams in the comments. So thank you for joining. Thanks for jumping in. Check out the Patreon link. Check out the Patreon link down in the description if you want to support the channel.